Into a Tuesday, May 16th, Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat. And the nation's most anticipated economic barometer starting us off with StatScan reporting a hike in the cost of living, which certainly won't help the Bank of Canada keep those interest rates parked. Canada's annual inflation rate up a tenth to 4.4% for April from 4.3% in March. Gas prices 6% higher, with grocery inflation actually coming down to 9.1% from 9.7%. Manitoba now with the highest CPI at 5.5%, followed by Saskatchewan at 5.2%. The latest on a possible strike by WestJet pilots, the Airline Pilots Association reporting that strike notice has now been served. A walkout set to begin as early as Friday if they don't have a new contract deal before then. The pilots threatening to ground the entire airline. A couple of BC mining operations are going to be impacted by the latest big money takeover in the mining space. Colorado's Newmont Mining reporting a $23.5 billion deal to acquire Australia's Newcrest Mining, the Bruce Jack Gold Mine near Kitimat, and the Red Chris Copper and Gold Project near Dease Lake, part of the purchase. Spread the news and tell your friends about the fastest 2 minutes in business, Canada's Business Beat, your daily go-to for the business news that matters to you, with listeners in over 20 countries, on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts. In case you missed it, the newest evidence in that home sales are heating up again despite those higher mortgage rates. The Canadian Real Estate Association reporting 38,134 closings nationwide for April, which was a gain of 11.3% over March. The uptick attributed to, quote, outsized sale rebounds in the Toronto and Vancouver markets, along with a 20-year low in housing supply. And General Motors reporting a must-know recall of around 42,000 older model SUVs because of an airbag issue, 2014 to 17 Buick Enclaves, Chevy Traverses, and GMC Acadia models. And that will do it for your Tuesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.